Hey there, plant enthusiasts and farming enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of gardening and farming with me.
Deep in the heart of China, a culinary revolution is underway. Forget chicken, beef, or pork. The bamboo rat is taking center stage. Once a rare delicacy, bamboo rat meat is now a booming industry, captivating taste buds and transforming rural economies. Imagine a plump rodent resembling a guinea pig on steroids, feasting on bamboo shoots. That's a bamboo rat. Prized for its tender, flavorful meat, it's become a sought-after delicacy across China and beyond. From bustling street food stalls to high-end restaurants, bamboo rat is gracing plates and igniting culinary curiosity. The bamboo rat boom represents a fascinating intersection of tradition, economics, and innovation. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of bamboo rat farming, uncovering the secrets behind its rise and exploring its global implications. Get ready to be surprised, intrigued, and maybe even tempted to try this unusual delicacy. For centuries, bamboo rats were a wild delicacy in southern China, enjoyed primarily by rural communities. Their burrowing lifestyle and preference for bamboo forests made them a challenging but rewarding catch. However, the late 20th century marked a turning point. As China's economy boomed, so did its appetite for exotic meats. Bamboo rat, with its unique flavor and reputation as a healthy, protein-rich food, began to attract attention beyond rural areas. This growing demand sparked a culinary shift, pushing bamboo rats from the forests into the realm of farmed delicacies. Enterprising farmers, recognizing the economic potential, began establishing bamboo rat farms. What started as small-scale operations quickly transformed into a multi-billion-dollar industry. Today, China is the world's leading producer of bamboo rats, with millions raised annually to satisfy the nation's growing appetite. The rise of bamboo rat farming has had a profound impact on rural communities across China. In provinces like Guangdong, Guangxi, and Fujian, where bamboo thrives, bamboo rat farms have become economic engines, generating income and revitalizing local economies. For many farmers, bamboo rat farming presents a lucrative alternative to traditional crops. Bamboo rats are relatively easy to raise, requiring less space and resources than larger livestock. Their fast reproduction rate and short growth cycle translate into quicker returns on investment, making them an attractive option for small-scale farmers. The economic benefits extend beyond the farms themselves. Bamboo rat farming has created a ripple effect, generating employment opportunities in processing, distribution, and even tourism. It's a story of rural innovation where a once niche delicacy has transformed into a pillar of economic growth. Step into a modern bamboo rat farm, and you'll be greeted by a sight that challenges preconceived notions of rodent rearing. Gone are the images of cramped, unsanitary conditions. Instead, you'll find clean, spacious enclosures designed to mimic the bamboo rat's natural habitat. Breeding bamboo rats is a meticulous process, carefully controlled to optimize health and productivity. Farmers select breeding pairs based on factors like size, temperament, and genetic lineage, ensuring the production of high-quality meat. Pregnant females are provided with specialized diets and nesting materials to support healthy offspring. Once born, the pups are weaned and gradually introduced to a diet of fresh bamboo, supplemented with vitamins and minerals. The emphasis is on providing a stress-free environment that promotes natural growth and development. Regular veterinary checkups and strict hygiene protocols are maintained to prevent diseases and ensure the well-being of the animals. Healthy, well-cared-for bamboo rats yield higher quality meat, fetching better prices in the market. High-tech habitats innovations in bamboo rat housing. Gone are the days of simple bamboo cages. Modern bamboo rat farming embraces innovation. Think climate-controlled enclosures and automated feeding systems, spacious, multi-tiered cages with temperature and humidity controls, ensuring comfort year-round, automated watering systems and timed feeders, sensors and data analytics track health metrics, providing valuable insights for farmers, paving the way for sustainable bamboo rat farming. Section 6. A Sustainable Feast: Bamboo Rats and Environmental Harmony. In a world grappling with the environmental impact of food production, bamboo rat farming emerges as a surprisingly sustainable alternative. Unlike resource-intensive livestock like cattle, bamboo rats have a light ecological footprint, making them an eco-conscious choice for the dinner table. Consider their diet: bamboo. This fast-growing grass is a highly renewable resource, requiring no deforestation or extensive land clearing for cultivation. Bamboo's ability to thrive in diverse climates and its minimal water requirements further enhance its sustainability credentials. Moreover, bamboo rats are incredibly efficient converters of feed into protein. Compared to traditional livestock, they require significantly less feed and water to gain weight, resulting in a lower carbon footprint per kilogram of meat produced. This eco-friendly profile has earned bamboo rat farming recognition from environmental organizations as a sustainable food source. Section 7, From Farm to Table, Processing Bamboo Rat Meat. Once the bamboo rats reach maturity, they undergo a humane and hygienic processing procedure, ensuring the delivery of safe and high-quality meat to consumers. The process, tightly regulated by Chinese authorities, prioritizes both food safety and animal welfare. After humane slaughter, the rats are carefully skinned and gutted, with their internal organs inspected for any signs of disease. The carcasses are then thoroughly cleaned and washed, adhering to strict sanitation protocols. This meticulous approach minimizes the risk of contamination and ensures the meat meets the highest standards of hygiene. Depending on culinary preferences, the meat can be sold fresh, frozen, or further processed into various products. Some popular options include smoked bamboo rat, dried bamboo rat jerky, and even bamboo rat sausages. The processed meat undergoes rigorous quality checks before it reaches consumers, further ensuring its safety and quality. Section 8. A Global Appetite, Exploring the Demand for Exotic Meats. The rising popularity of bamboo rat meat isn't an isolated phenomenon. It reflects a broader global trend, the growing demand for exotic meats. From crocodile burgers in South Africa to insect snacks in Thailand, adventurous eaters are increasingly seeking out unique and sustainable alternatives to traditional protein sources. This culinary curiosity stems from a confluence of factors. Globalization has exposed consumers to a wider variety of cuisines and ingredients, piquing their interest in unfamiliar flavors and textures. Simultaneously, concerns about the environmental impact and ethical implications of conventional meat production have fueled the search for alternative protein sources. Exotic meats, often perceived as healthier and more sustainable, have emerged as a compelling option for environmentally conscious consumers. Bamboo rat, with its low-fat, high-protein profile and eco-friendly credentials, perfectly embodies this trend. Its growing popularity signals a shift in culinary preferences, one that embraces both novelty and sustainability. Section 9. Ethical Considerations, Animal Welfare in Bamboo Rat Farming. The rapid growth of the bamboo rat industry has inevitably sparked debate about animal welfare. As with any form of animal agriculture, it's crucial to ensure that bamboo rats are raised humanely and that their well-being is prioritized throughout their life cycle. Animal welfare advocates emphasize the importance of providing bamboo rats with spacious enclosures that allow for natural behaviors like burrowing and foraging. Enrichment activities, such as providing toys and opportunities for social interaction, are also crucial for their mental and emotional well-being. Furthermore, humane slaughtering methods that minimize stress and suffering are paramount. Proper training and certification for farm workers are essential to ensure that animals are handled and slaughtered humanely. The bamboo rat industry has made strides in improving animal welfare, driven by a combination of ethical considerations, consumer demand, and government regulations. Future feast or passing fad, the future of bamboo rat. The bamboo rat industry stands at a crossroads. Will it become a dietary staple or fade as a culinary curiosity? Global demand for alternative proteins and sustainable practices position bamboo rats as an appealing option. Awareness of their nutritional value spreads, enhancing their appeal. Research in farming will improve quality and sustainability. Bamboo rat could shape the future of sustainable food. Section 11. Beyond the bamboo embracing agricultural innovation. The story of bamboo rat farming is more than just a culinary curiosity. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt to changing needs and resources. It highlights the importance of exploring alternative agricultural practices, especially as we face the challenges of a growing global population and the need for sustainable food production. Just as bamboo rats have emerged from the forest to become a culinary sensation, countless other sustainable food sources await discovery. From insect farming to lab-grown meat, the future of food is ripe with innovation, promising to transform our plates and lessen our impact on the planet. The bamboo rat's journey from the wild to our tables is an invitation to embrace culinary curiosity, to challenge our preconceived notions about food, and to support innovative agricultural practices that nourish both our bodies and our planet.